At Dudhwa, the bird that is most eye-catching is the kingfisher. Perched daintily over a branch jutting over a water body, it is easily identifiable even by the most unobservant. Its longish beak and vibrant blue color make it so conspicuous. You are sure to meet a white-throated kingfisher during a casual walk, as it positions itself strategically on electric lines, twigs, and branches, looking out for insects, fishes, and frogs, and then flying off in a jiffy, uttering a loud, distinctive call. Kill, 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 kill. No wonder it is onomatopoeically called kill killa in Hindi. Its larger cousin, Stork-Billed Kingfisher, can be spotted at Chadi Tal. His stout, long red bill is particularly attractive, but even more interesting is its loud, sonorous call. K-K-K-K-K-K, that sounds as though it is laughing its heart out. I've seen this bird fishing and gobbling up a large silver fish. It's even batter its prey before swallowing it up greedily. Yet, unlike its other colorful cousins, the drab, black and white pied kingfisher is one that bows you over. I can never ever forget my first sighting of this beauty. Furiously flapping its wings, it hovers over a stream and then dives straight like an arrow right into the water for a catch. And once it has got its catch, it perches somewhere nearby, batters and gobbles up its prey. After a hearty meal, it preens its feathers, shakes off water droplets, carefully oils and arranges its finery. Soon he's ready for the show again, flapping, hovering, diving, perching, battering and gobbling up. This entire docudrama, fleeting though it is, simply captivates the onlooker. So please join us at National Environment Camp at Dudhwa Tiger Reserve to glimpse kingfishers in action.